Hello and welcome back to the Strategy Explorer video tutorial. Strategy development needs a clear goal, otherwise it will be difficult to find the right way to, well, what exactly is it that you want to achieve? By definition, a strategy is a long-term plan to achieve a specific goal. Therefore, before developing a strategy, a goal needs to be specified. This is step 2 of the Strategy Explorer process, which concentrates on the formulation of the vision and mission for the subject. The mission describes the purpose of the subject. That means why it exists in the first place and what it basically does. In strategy development, the mission provides the general direction in which to move, like a North Star that points the way. In contrast, the vision is a picture of the future from today's perspective, at a concrete point in time. It essentially describes how the future looks like, how the subject fares in this future, and which big goals will have been accomplished. For example, the mission of a certain non-profit organization could be to provide medical aid to the poor. That provides guidance for all strategic decisions. And furthermore, the people working in that organization can relate to that mission and typically they want to help fill it with life. The corresponding vision could describe how many less people suffer from illness because of the work of the organization and how the organization managed to double the number of patients they serve until the year 2030. If you already have a ready-made mission statement, simply copy it into the field Mission in the Strategy Explorer. If you have to create one from scratch, do a brainwriting exercise and discuss the ideas in the group. Try to condense the favorite statements into a new single one and place it into the mission field. The vision is a complex picture with many aspects. However, for the purpose of strategy development, you need to identify the overarching goals that stand behind the vision. Clarify these and place them into the field Vision. Typically, this should be just a handful of sticky notes. Do not underestimate the time that is needed to work on vision and mission. It is important to get at least the vision sufficiently clear before you start the strategy development. The vision is leading the thoughts for the whole process. Therefore, all subsequent work could be in vain if you start off with the wrong goal. Now let's come back to EcoMeat, our example from step number 1. First, the EcoMeat team discusses what has motivated them to work on in vitro meat. This way, they arrive at the mission statement to create healthy, ethically and ecologically sound food alternatives. Note that this statement guides the way, but allows to think broadly about future developments beyond in vitro meat. For the vision, the team is very clear and quickly finds a consensus. The vision is for EcoMeat to be the first choice for meat customers. At the same time, EcoMeat must be price competitive with regard to other alternatives. The boldest part of the vision is that EcoMeat will end intensive livestock farming. Well, that's a pretty big vision and it will not be easily achieved, especially as there are others out there who have conflicting goals and interests. So let's see which environment EcoMeat has to face in the next video regarding step 3 of the process. In the meantime, detailed information about step number 2 can be found on the Strategy Explorer homepage and on LinkedIn. So go ahead and see you next time.